Hi, my name is Valentino Pereira. I am the executive chef for VO Lifestyles, and today we'll be making a simple and delicious butter chicken using VO's Indian butter chicken mix. So we've got our rice in the boil, so let's begin by dicing our meat. The recipe calls for 1.5 pounds of meat. Our choice of meat today is chicken. I'm using the chicken thigh because I personally think it tends to be a lot more juicy and moist. So I've diced my chicken to 1/2-inch cubes. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and half a packet of the VO marinade. This can be found inside the VO butter chicken pouch. You can add more or less depending on how spicy you like it. We've marinated our meat for half an hour and now it's time to cook. We've got our pan on a medium heat. To this we're going to add our marinated chicken and cook till golden brown. Now that our chicken's almost done, we're going to remove our chicken and keep to the side. To the same pan, we're going to add a cup of water and the remaining contents of the VO butter chicken. Let that simmer for a minute. We now add a cup of cream and the remaining chicken, and we let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Here you have it, VO's easy and delicious butter chicken. Finish it off with a bit of cilantro and some cream. Serve hot with some rice or naan bread and bring the flavors of India into your home.